In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calendar to Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a calendar into any page and tune it so it works the way you want. First, open the Notion website in your browser. Give it a moment to load your workspace and make sure you're looking at the area where you want to work. If you have multiple spaces or tabs, pick the one that makes the most sense for your calendar. Next, open your page. This can be a brand new page if you want a fresh start, or any existing page where a calendar would be helpful, like a dashboard, project hub, or content plan. Once the page is open, click into the main body of the page so your text cursor is active. That's important because the next move relies on Notion's quick command menu. Now type /, then start typing the word calendar. You'll see options pop up in the menu. Click the calendar option that appears. Notion will instantly insert a calendar block into your page. If it doesn't show up right away, double-check that your cursor is in the page body and try again. A quick page refresh can also help if the menu doesn't appear. With the calendar in place, feel free to customize everything to fit your workflow. Click the calendar's title to rename it so it's clear what it's for, like Team Schedule or Content Calendar. Use the view controls at the top of the calendar to adjust how it looks and what information it shows. You can choose which properties appear on each calendar card, so only the details you care about are visible at a glance. Filters let you focus on specific items, like a particular tag or status, and you can hide properties you don't need to keep things clean. You can also adjust the calendar block on the page to match your layout. Move it above or below other blocks to position it where it makes sense. If you're building a dashboard, placing it near relevant notes or tasks can make everything easier to scan. The calendar will adapt to the width of your page so you get a clear month view without extra clutter. That's it. Open Notion, open your page, type /calendar and click it. Then customize the view so it serves your needs. Keep it simple at first and refine as you go. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new calendar in Notion.